Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins from Shannon Rollins Real Estate. If you're not thinking of selling this year, I have 6 tips for you, things you can be working on to get your house ready so when it is time to sell, you're ready to roll. There are 6 things you can be doing to prepare your house to sell, even if you're not ready to sell now, so when it is time to go, you'll be ready to roll. The first is, in your kitchen, eliminate the laminate countertops. You'll be amazed at how much granite has come down in cost. And you can get remnants as well for your bathroom and upgrade those countertops. That'll make a big splash when you put the house on the market. The second is eliminate any wallpaper in the house. The odds are, if you have wallpaper, that wallpaper is going to be something that somebody likes. With there being thousands of wallpaper options, it's not likely. So the best thing to do is cut and mud the seam, feather it out, and paint right over it. If you try to take the wallpaper down, you might run the risk of messing up the walls further. So try to just paint right over it. The third is, in the kitchen, those gold knobs that you have on your cabinets and in the bathroom, go ahead, pull those off and replace them. You can also pull them off and get a paint primer, spray them, and paint them, and that upgrades the kitchen look as well. In your kitchen, the appliances. If you have that dishwasher that's been cranking for 30 years and still working, but it looks horrible and you've replaced all the other appliances, go ahead and replace that. Take care of it now. Think about curb appeal as your 5th option. Go out to the curb at your house and see what does it look like from a buyer's perspective. Do your shrubs need to be trimmed back, or do you need to pull everything out and replace it and make it look fresh? And then the 6th thing, the last thing, walk up to your front door. A lot of people don't enter their home from the front door, so go up your front porch through the front door. What does it look like? Does your door look all blistered and looks like it needs to be painted, or your handle all rusted looking? Go ahead and freshen it up and make sure it looks good. The front door, the front porch is the first impression a buyer has of your house, so be sure that it looks really good. Hope these tips have been helpful. Visit my website at shannonr.com for other tips in buying or selling, and thanks for watching.